Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm doing this quick video from my car and I just wanted to show you guys everything that I took inside of my little new makeup bag that I got recently from Ross, this Nautica one that I showed in my haul. I'm sorry about the angle here with my steering wheel and all this, but this is like so hard to get this thing to work here, so we're gonna have to work with this how we have it. I just wanted to show you guys how many things fit in here. I have a whole mess of stuff in here and there's still room for a little bit more, like literally. I wanted to show you what I took on like our little weekend trip to Sanibel Island. So I don't know if the video is up yet, but I did kind of like a short little vlog for you guys on our little weekend trip to Sanibel Island with my family. It was amazing, guys. Loved it so much. I want to go again for like a longer period of time. Highly recommend it. So let's just go into this because I really want to show you guys how many things fit in here, because I remember I told you guys when I hauled this that I really liked it because it definitely was gonna fit a lot of stuff in it. So first of all, I have my Kula Sport Classic sunscreen in white tea, and this is an organic sun care, and this sunscreen was amazing. I was in the water for like a really long time. I used it on my face, on my kids' face. My mom used it, my sister used it, and as you can see, I just got a little bit red, but I did not get sunburned on my face at all. So this is really good. I have my eyebrow pencil in here, which you guys know this is from Winky Lux and I love. I have a bunch of lippies. I'm just gonna start pulling out. I brought with me the Too Faced Melted Matte. I brought one from ColourPop, which like has like no name anymore. I brought my baby lips. I brought my Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in watermelon soda, which I absolutely love. I have a hand cream in here, and this is the Crabtree and Evelyn London Rose Water and Pink Peppercorn Hydrating Hand Therapy. That cream is nice. I really enjoy that. I have my Psychopair color correcting treatment. This is like for redness on your skin. It neutralizes the redness, you know, and kind of like gives you a blank canvas, I guess. So this is amazing. But are you looking at the size of these things, and like all of this fit in here? I have this palette, the Rose Gold Eyes palette, kind of huge, and it fits in there. I also brought with me the Wander Beauty Wanderous Seascape palette with all those gorgeous colors. I didn't end up using either of these palettes. I used just a little bit of, I think, this shade right here on one of the days, but since we were pretty much on the beach every single day, there was no need for that. I also brought my Stella Stay All Day foundation. I used this like once or twice maybe. I have the Real Technique sponge. I have more lippies. This is the lippy that I have on that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I absolutely love this. These are from Jolie Cosmetics, and this color is Amore. This is a beautiful red color. I'm like obsessed with it. So I brought that. I also brought this Revlon Cushion Lip Tint in the color Coral something. Have that. I always like to bring a lot of lippies. I'd rather have more makeup than not enough, you know. I also brought like my lubricating eye drops for my contacts. I wear contacts. I didn't even have to open it, but I always like to have that just in case. More lippies, guys. The Milani Power Lip in the color Pink Lemonade. I also have a Too Faced Melted Matte. This is like a hot pink color. It's called It's Happening. I also brought from L'Oreal and the Camila Cabello collab, Havana. It's a beautiful gloss. I also brought this one from Tarte in Hey Sailor, and it's a hot pink, or like a hot purpley pink if you can see that. I also brought from the NYX Liquid Suede cream lipstick line, Passion Rose. I also brought, as you can tell, they're all summery colors. Revlon Color Burst, like the liquid pencils in Rendezvous. It's like a nice orangey color. I brought my breath spray. I always love to have this because you never know. And with just a spray, you're fresh again. My Kat Von D concealer. I brought the Brow Gal water resistant clear eyebrow gel. I brought Ofra eyeliners. One is in Lagoon and the other one is in, oh, I don't know, it erased, but it's these two colors right here. Very pretty. I have brushes. So my foundation brush and my blush brush. And this is a huge brush. It's not a small brush. And then my foundation brush. I also have a mascara. Two mascaras, actually. Better Than Sex and this one from the Balm Scuba. I have a highlight from Wet n Wild. This is in Precious Petals. It's a beautiful highlight. My mirror, and I also have this like travel brush set, which I didn't even open yet. I got this at Target. I have my blush. This is from Milani and Rose d'Oro. I have my eyebrow plucker, my tweezers, not pluckers. I also have this shadow from the L'Oreal and Camila Cabello collab in Unana. And last but not least, three more lippies. I have two from Bite Beauty. This one is in Cayenne. This one is in Pickled Ginger. And then the one I use the most, that's in like all my pictures and all that stuff, is this new one that I got from Sephora, recommendation from a friend. And it's in Strawberry, what is it? Strawberry Kissed, I think it is the name of this. This is such a beautiful, I'm gonna swatch this one. God, what a beautiful color. I'm so obsessed with this one. That's the one I used the most every single day on the beach. So guys, did you see how many things actually fit in here? Like, I was so surprised. I was like in shock. I'm like, I can't believe all this stuff fits in here. So if you need a new makeup bag, go to Ross and try to get you this one in this wonderful shape. I just kept putting things in there and I'm like, okay, is this ever going to like get jammed or anything? No, everything fit perfectly, and I'm pretty sure that I could squeeze in a couple more lippies and they'll fit. So yeah guys, that's what I took on my little mini weekend getaway. You can imagine if I go longer, I'll probably have like more stuff. No, but I think this is great for like any type of trip. So everything fit perfectly in here. Nothing is like super tight, as you can tell. So highly recommend makeup bags like this. And yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye my loves.